Hello everyone, my name is Amanda and today's topic is the sound of language. We will see a lot of material, so feel free to pause the video at any moment. You need to take notes or just rewatch to understand. So with that notice, let's begin. Okay, our first subject is phonetics. The phonetics is the general studies of the characteristic of speech sound. Today we're going to focus on articulated phonetics, which studies how sounds are being articulated or made. But there are other studies like acoustic phonetics and auditory phonetics. Now, our second subject will be consonants. When we describe the articulation of a consonant, we focus on three things. The first one is the voiced or voiceless distinction. The second is the place of articulation. And the last one is the manner of articulation. So we're gonna check one by one because each one of them show us how the process of producing the sound of a consonant is made. Okay, so the first one is to distinct a voiced and a voiceless sound. And it's really easy. It's all about vibration. When you're saying a consonant and you feel a vibration that is going through your vocal cords or vocal folds, it means that it's a voiced sound. However, if you don't feel a vibration going through your vocal cords, it means that it's a voiceless sound. Here are some examples of which consonants are voiced and which consonants are voiceless. You can pause the video at any moment if you need to take a screenshot or if you want to write it on your notes. Okay, the second one is place of articulation. For this one, after you feel or you don't feel the vibration, which is the air going through your vocal cords, there's two ways we can make the sound of the consonant. It's through our nose, that means that the air will go out through our nose, or it will go out through our mouths. And the third aspect is manner of articulation. When you see manner of articulation, you're going to identify that are a lot of consonants that might be very similar. For example, that a group of consonants is voiced or voiceless, or that you are pronouncing or producing the sound because the air is going through your nose instead of your mouth or backwards. Now, to identify what type of sound it is, they also have a lot of types because to produce a sound, we don't only use the air, the lungs that expels the air, and then just the nose or the mouth. We can be using our lips, we can be using our teeth, we can be using the tongue, touching the upper part of the mouth. So I'm gonna leave you a table that you can take a screenshot, or if you need to pause it, you can pause the video, because you will see several types of sounds and some examples of which consonant can be pronounced like doing that exercise. And I'm also going to leave you an image so you can identify what's the name of each sound and which part of your body is helping you to pronounce it. Now, after talking a lot about the consonants, let's talk about the vowels. But with the vowels, it is easier to identify because when we pronounce or when we produce the sound of a vowel, it means that we're letting the air flow. So, all of the vowels depend on the shape of the tongue, how we are exercising or producing the sound with the tongue, the shape that it is. And usually the vowels are typically a voiced sound. And that's all the information for today. If you have any question, please let us know in the comments so we can help you. I hope you have a great day. Bye.